waiting for Baskin Robbin? Huh? Where's the Baskin Robbin? You're waiting for Baskin Robbin. Oh my goodness. My small bird waiting for Baskin Robbin Rocky Road. Oh my. Uy. Where's the Baskin Robbin? Are you excited for the Baskin Robbin ice cream? Yes, you are. Mommy cannot buy now because it's rain outside. Mommy cannot drive. How about there in Walmart across the street? The Great Value ice cream in Walmart. You don't like that? Because it's not a real ice cream. But it's yummy. Yes, you are, but it's a good ice cream, Great Value. You say no? No, you want a real ice cream in Baskin Robbin? You say yes? Oh my goodness. How about there in McDonald's? A caramel frappe. You want that? That's Mommy's favorite. But it's expensive for small cup is like almost $5. Yes. Do you want that? You say no? You just want a real ice cream. Baskin Robbin Rocky Road. You say yes? Rose, you say yes? Oh, that's expensive, boy. I think Mommy need to win a lottery jackpot. So Mommy gonna buy lots of Baskin Robbin Rocky Road in a big freezer. Why you close your eyes? Why you waiting for Baskin Robbin? Yeah. Mommy gonna buy you, okay? Looks like the rain is not stopped. Yeah. How about Mommy buy there in Kroger? Yeah, in Kroger. I think they have a good ice cream there in Kroger. Hi, you don't like also? So what do you want? I think it's a private selection. Cherry flavor. You like that? Ice cream? Yes. Do you like that? The private selection ice cream. You don't like that also? You open your mouth, you say no? Yes, you are. You just want a real Baskin Robbin. Yeah, it's expensive for one scoop, just like $5. Yes, you are, plus tax. Wait. Yeah, 2 scoop. Wait. You just want Baskin Robbin. You gonna eat that all day? And 1 scoop for you, Rose, and 1 scoop for you, Jack. You say yes. You're waiting for Baskin Robbin. Look at outside, it's rain. Yeah, it's cold outside. I don't want to go outside and drive to Baskin Robbin. It's cold. Yeah, Mommy's cold. We just wait. Okay, we just wait if we win a lottery. Yes, you are. And Mommy gonna buy you lots of ice cream, Baskin Robbin, Rocky Road. Yes, you are. Do you think we're gonna win tonight? So Mommy gonna buy a big 1 gallon. Huh? And we're gonna eat together. Uy, are you excited? Uy. Give Mommy a kiss, uy. You bird. You bird. Uy, you're so cute, baby bird. Yes, you are my cute baby bird on earth. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. How about you, Rose? You are the cutest bird on earth. Uy, Rose. Hi, Rose. Let me see you, Rose. Rose. How about you, Jack? Look at you, Jack. You look like a Jack. You know a Jack? You know Jack is like a Jack in a card. Like play card. Hi. You really want a Baskin Robbin rock and roll. Look at it. It's lots of rain outside. Look at the rain. I'm gonna open the window and you're gonna go outside and you're gonna swim. Take a bath. Yeah, you want to take a bath outside. What's wrong with your legs? You just pretend your leg is broken, so mommy gonna buy you a Baskin Robbin. Yes, you are. Look at your legs. Your leg is broken. You just pretend that. So you want mommy to buy me an ice cream. Is your leg is okay? Huh? Oh, it's okay. Oh my goodness, your leg is not okay because mommy not buy ice cream. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with this bird is? Okay, you all right now? Are you ready to fly? Where are you flying? Oh, cute bird. Cute baby bird. Somebody walking outside. I think the man buy Baskin Robbin. I think the man there outside are walking there outside the street, in the street. I think he's buying Baskin Robbin for you. Yes? Oh, cute bird doing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are my cute bird. You're my cute baby bird on earth. Yes, you are. You see Baskin Robbin? You see mommy buy me Baskin Robbin.